Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Another Love on Roblox piano. We will start by getting set up in a piano game. First, launch Roblox and find a game featuring a virtual piano. Make sure the game provides a clear, interactive keyboard. Take a moment to understand the layout of the keys, noting where middle C is located. This initial step is crucial for a smooth learning experience. Now, let's focus on the right hand for the main melody. We will use notes primarily from the C major scale. Start by playing E, then D, C, D, and then E 3 times. This forms the first memorable phrase. For the next section, play D 3 times, followed by E, D, and finally C. Practice these two phrases slowly until they feel comfortable and flow smoothly. Next, we will add depth with the left hand by introducing simple chords. For the first melody phrase, play a C major chord, which consists of the notes C, E, and G simultaneously. As you transition to the second melody phrase, switch your left hand to a G major chord, playing G, B, and D. These two chords provide a foundational harmony for the song. Practice coordinating both hands. To master Another Love, consistent practice is key. Begin by practicing each hand's part separately until you are confident. Then, try combining both hands, starting at a very slow tempo. Gradually increase your speed as your coordination improves. Listening to the original song will help you internalize the rhythm and feel. With dedication, you will soon be playing the entire piece beautifully on your Roblox piano.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.